Imagine ChatGPT helping you to actually create audio from your text script. Not only that, but also helping you to even give you an option for you to edit this audio, right? And not only that, you can choose the type of voice that you would like to be able to use with this same capability of audio editing in ChatGPT. How cool would that be? And I was thinking about all this stuff and I said, you know what? The entire demo that they did about the voice, about the calls, and about stories and all that, I said, no, let me give ChatGPT a try. With the latest version, which is ChatGPT 4.0, I said, let me see, what can you do for me? And I went on the ChatGPT, I said, when it comes to audio, what can you do? And he said, when it comes to my audio capability, here are some of the ways I can assist you. Audio transcription and analysis, which means if you say something right now, like you have a voice over, ChatGPT will listen to what you have said and will give you a written text of it. I think that is cool as well, even though that has not met my imagination of helping me to create a particular content, turning it into an audio, giving me the ability to edit it to any kind of voice I want, and giving me that particular audio. So that did not meet that particular fantasy that I have, that imagination. But that is not a bad one also. So another thing he said he can do was script and dialogue creation. Yeah, that is normal. Create script for podcasts, audio content planning, audio editing guidance, SEO and marketing for audio content. All these are normal stuff, right? So I went ahead and I gave ChatGPT the first thing he said he can do. I said, let me give it a try. And I went ahead, I said, convert this into a written word. Because that was what ChatGPT said it can do. Look at it here. Say convert spoken words in an audio file into a written text if the audio file is provided. Now, criteria number 1 is if the audio file is provided. Here is the audio file. I provide the audio file to ChatGPT. It seems there is an issue processing this audio file directly. However, we can use an online tool software to convert the audio file to text. No now, Oga, that is your job. So I just say, you know what, I gave it a different type of audio file. Maybe it's the format that is having issue. This is an audio file. When you record something on your iPhone, this is the audio file that you get, and I upload it again. And usually ChatGPT will start doing some things as if you want to get the stuff done, then to come back and tell you that it was having issue processing it directly and give you instruction to go to another place, go and convert it to text, which is not what ChatGPT said he can do or it can do. I went ahead and said, you know what, let me give you an MP3 file. This is an MP3 file. The first one was a different format, second one is another format. This one is an MP3 file, a recognized format that any tool can be able to have access to and to transcribe, right? And to turn it into anything. I said transcribe it, because by this time I was already angry. I did not waste my time to say, I just said transcribe it. And ChatGPT, after doing some analysis, came back and said, you can't do it again. So I said, can you turn written words into audio for me to download? This time around, I'm saying, I will give you a written words, turn it into an audio so that I can download the written words. See what? ChatGPT said yes. You can convert text into audio. Please provide the text and I will generate the audio file for you. You see, ChatGPT will be saying things that I cannot do. I don't understand. Is it that they add lie to the AI? Why is it that the AI will tell you some things? You say you can do it, but when you want to do, or people in America, because right now, I'm in Africa right now, Lagos, Nigeria. As a matter of fact, is it that when we Africans ask ChatGPT something, they give us different results? But when people in Europe ask ChatGPT something, ChatGPT will now give them the right answer or what? I don't understand. Okay, I just copy some text. I say, okay, Ongwanu, go ahead and do what you are supposed to do with it. Turn it into an audio file for me so that I can download it just as you have said. This guy just told me something, so I don't understand. ChatGPT said, it seems there was an issue processing the text-to-speech conversation directly. As an alternative, you can use an online what now? So it gave me instruction on how I can go and do it by myself online. And all these are the instructions. So I asked ChatGPT, give me a list of what you cannot do. Because I asked you, what can you do? You gave me a list of what you can do. It turns out that a lot of what you say you can do, you are lying to me. Why are you lying to me, guys? Why is ChatGPT lying? Why you two they lie? Why ChatGPT they lie? Okay, and they give me a list of what you can do. Now that's where you now start telling me that you cannot manipulate audio, cannot process this one, you cannot do speech recognition. It turns out that there is a lot that ChatGPT cannot do for you. A lot that ChatGPT cannot do for you. A lot as far as audio is concerned. So when exactly are we going to see all these features that these guys roll out in the demo? Because it turns out that a lot of things cannot be done with ChatGPT 4.0 about the video, about the image, and about the audio. So is it just that you have the ability to just be generating text for us? So there you have it, guys. That is my test on ChatGPT audio and what it can do with it as far as audio is concerned, it turns out that the only thing that Chatgpt 4.0 right now is for Chatgpt to be able to read for you. Whatever information Chatgpt spit out to you, Chatgpt can be able to read it. Here is an example.
Here's a list of tasks related to audio that I cannot directly perform. Direct audio manipulation and processing. 1, audio playback. I cannot play audio files directly within this chat interface. 2, direct audio editing. I cannot edit audio files such as cutting, trimming, or adding effects. 3, audio file conversion. I cannot convert audio files from one format to another, e.g. MP3 to WAV.
Tell me.
4, real-time audio processing.
It's okay,
I
it's
cannot
okay.
process
It's okay, it's okay.
live audio streams in real
So
time.
apparently, that is the only thing
audio
Chatgpt can do for you right now. Can read for you. That is the only thing it can do as far as audio is concerned directly. Every other thing concerning audio for now, nothing. Until perhaps they roll out the feature that will allow us to have this interaction that we saw on the demo. Then that is where we can have the feature. Alright guys, see, Chatgpt have incredible features, right? That you can enjoy. You can watch my video, the next one, where I explain massive features that you can literally begin to implement with Chatgpt in your business and in content creation, and also how to make money. Just that these particular features that I did my test on, he cannot perform on them. Alright, see you in the next video guys.